Ready?
No.
Ready?
No. Right. Steady, steady.
Late in the evening, watching what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair.
Welcome to the Sound of Boiling podcast with Chris O'Shea and James Arter.
This is going to be a James heavy podcast as I'm leaving now. So if you're a fan of James and understanding what the person on the podcast is saying, you're in luck. Okay. Well, shall I do a quick interview while I'm here?
No, it's okay. I can do it. You can.
Beep.
Tom, how's your day been?
I would like to be interviewed by James, please.
Gavin,
That's brutal.
Gavin, how's your day been? You're all,
Also a no.
you're all dick.
Beep.
No from me, and it's a no from Gary.
Can I have a lift to the train station?
Also no.
You sure? It is Friday, so traffic will be light.
What do you mean the traffic will be light on a Friday? Have you ever been outside, man?
Okay, I'm going to go. Bye everyone, have a good podcast.
Goodbye, Chris.
Is Chris gone then?
Yeah. I'm on the line.
Oh no.
He's gone to Birmingham.
So you've just given up and come down here.
Yeah. Well, like, I've got stuff to do, but I don't want to do it. Yeah.
Sorry. No, that's fine.
Hello.
I'll just stay here for a minute.
It glows green now. You can actually see things in visible light.
Okay, so your laser light was on. How do you feel?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Did you eat your lab snacks, by the way?
Oh no,
No.
they're nowhere.
They're nowhere.
Nowhere. Not there. They're mine.
Let me unbox your lab snacks.
If you take one, I swear to God.
I'm not going to take one.
Let's play What's in the Box.
Okay, lab snacks. So what have we got?
I'll rustle it and you have to guess what it is at home.
Gummy bears. I don't know. It's in German. A biscuit.
It's Hobbits.
Hobbits. Hobbits. The German biscuit known as hobbits. Okay, fine. So we got hobbits, gummy bears. Bubble gum. Not bubble gum. Chewing gum. That's the one. Vivil. What is Vivil?
Mate, like
Own Zucker. Oh, sugar free. It feels hard. I can't squidge it.
Would you like a Nim 2 lolly?
Okay, that's a lollipop. Fine. Mawam. I know what that is. Mawam. Mentos. Oh, green apple. Mm. Love it. So, can you explain why you have lab snacks? I just point out this is literally a box that says lab snacks.
Basically, the company we buy from is awesome.
And they give you free sweets for
Yeah.
buying bits of Is it everyone who does lasers like
I think that's why people go into lasers, just for that box.
for sweets?
Yep, pretty much.
Okay.
That's why I am.
Okay. Nice. He's the one who gave it to him. Okay, good. Lab snacks. Well, that was fantastic. Thanks, Adam.
It's alright. How are you, James?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Fantastic.
I'm good. I saw your laser light was on and I got really excited
Well, so you
because
should be.
I know you've been looking forward to
Right.
lasing.
I would very happily let you be in the room while it's on, but first I'd have to ask you to watch the laser safety video.
Okay.
which is absolutely fucking hilarious.
It is. Can
Seriously, try and watch it if you can. It's
Te-
brilliant.
Tell us about the laser safety video.
I'm pretty sure it was made in the 70s.
Okay.
That's how good the graphics are.
Right.
And apparently, when you look in a laser, your eyes go red and you can't see anymore. But the red part looks awesome, so I'm kind of tempted.
So you want to shine a laser in your eyes just so you can see your awesome colours.
For the split second of redness covering my face, well, covering my eyes, I would definitely do it.
Good. Okay.
Definitely, like without a shadow of a doubt.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Oh yeah,
Fantastic.
yeah. Good point. Thanks, Charlie.
Okay. Good.
Your name, please.
Wilro.
What's the next category?
Fantastic.
You had one job. Where are you from?
Honolulu.
And your specialist subject?
Unicycle videos of YouTube.
Unicycle videos of YouTube. You have 1 minute. James, I'd hand over to you.
Okay. Your specialist subject, unicycle videos on YouTube. Question 1. In the YouTube video, Unicycle Freestyle by user Devin Supertramp, what is the first song featured? Title and artist.
Pass.
To the nearest 100,000, how many views does said video have?
400,000.
Nope. 2 million. Which city circus features in the video titled Bowles Unicycle Act, the world's greatest cabaret, by user Patrick Sebastian?
Paris.
Beijing. In the comments of said video, user Lance Collies asked 2 questions. The first was, there is no seat, is the pole stuck up the butts of each of these Chinese girls? What was the other?
How many wheels does a unicycle have?
No, it's which one has the most distinctive face and the biggest boobs? Approximately 2 years ago, user Supersonic Pie, I've started so I'll finish, the user Supersonic Pie liked a video entitled How to Ride a Unicycle, Idling on a Unicycle. Who uploaded this video?
I don't know.
Expert Village. Will you shut that alarm up?
There you go, that was yours.
Well done, Will. You got no points.
How many passes?
How many passes? You got so many passes you got.
I don't know, 1.
Like all of
Okay, so general knowledge. Will, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Question 1. Gauss's law, pro or con?
Pro.
Correct. Complete the lyric. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
I really, really, really wanna.
No?
Wanna zigga zigga.
No? So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. How many distinct 3D Bravis lattices are there?
17.
14. In which war did Lord Cardigan lead a charge of British cavalry, which was immortalised in a poem, Charge of the Light Brigade by Tennyson?
The Crimean War.
Correct. What term refers to the apparent movement of a nearby star against the background of more distant stars as the Earth orbits the Sun?
Parallax.
Correct. Which African country shares the same flag as Romania?
Lesotho.
Chad. So if my calculators are correct, you got 3 points.
Right, I also got
You also got 2 points.
I also got the first question right. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, I've let myself down and the podcast down. Will Woe, in fact, got 3 points.
And you also spelt war wrong.
Did I?
Yeah, you said was. In which was did Lord Cardigan? That's why I said it the first time.
Name?
Fiona Rust.
Where are you from?
Vista.
And your specialist subject?
Knitting.
I'll hand it over to James. Okay, we've got the timer.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, question 1. What is knitting with one's left hand commonly known as?
Pass.
What does the phrase rev st refer to in the world of knitting?
Pass. Reverse stocking stitch. God, is that too late? That's too late.
Yeah. You passed. What is placed at the opposite end to the point of a needle to stop the stitches from slipping off?
Pass.
To the nearest half metre, how long are the longest usable needles in the world according to the Guinness Book of World Records?
10 metres.
3.5. What does the term mega knitting refer to?
Pass.
What is the American name for moss stitch?
Seed stitch.
Correct. What does K2 tog yarn over needle make?
A hole.
A what?
A hole.
No.
That's it.
Yep, that's it.
You meant to read out the answers when I get it wrong, Boa.
I did.
Did I?
No, the passes.
She passed 2, yeah.
2.
So, you passed. What is knitting with one's left hand commonly known as? And I've got 3 answers here. Continental knitting, German knitting, or European knitting.
Wikipedia.
So, rev st, you were correct. It's reverse stockinette stitch.
Yeah.
What is placed at the opposite end to the point of a needle to stop stitches from slipping off? A knob.
Of course it is.
Mega knitting is a term recently coined and relates to the use of knitting needles greater than or equal to half an inch in diameter.
I think it's knitting to the power.
There we go.
10 to the 6.
Right, so that was your specialist subject, and you got some points.
How many points?
Okay, general knowledge. Are you ready? Is the timer ready this
Yeah.
time? Good. Okay, question 1. Gauss's law, pro or con?
Pro.
Correct. The Dark Side of the Moon is the 6th studio album by which English rock group?
Pink Floyd.
Correct. Which element has the highest binding energy per nucleon in its most abundant isotope?
Iron.
Correct. What is the Japanese dish basashi?
Pass.
If two bodies are at the same time in thermal equilibrium with a third, they are also in equilibrium with each other, is a statement of which law?
Second order law of thermodynamics.
No, the 0th law of thermodynamics. In what year did the US sign the Declaration of Independence?
Pass.
A simplified version of what equation where momentum is discarded gives the famous E equals mc squared?
Pass.
Okay, so you passed on some questions.
Yeah.
So what is the Japanese dish basashi? It's raw horse meat. The year the US signed the Declaration of Independence is 1776, and an equation is E squared equals m squared c to the 4 plus p squared c squared.
I thought you wanted a name for that equation.
Yeah.
Probably a bit question.
There we go.
Okay.
Well done, Fiona. You got some points.
We've got more points to fill. Okay. Well,
4, I think.
Fiona of us got 4 points. we
Correct.
think.
1 point.
It'll be obvious when we listen back to the podcast.
Yeah, that's true.
So Fiona's in the lead at the moment for Physics Mastermind with
Yeah.
4 points.
So on our leaderboard, we have Fiona with 4.
And Will,
And Will
with 3. See you all next week on Physics Mastermind.
And now it's time for Scientists Do the Funniest Things.
Van David knows it, let's go.
You misfired.
Restart. James, I need you. For Christ's sake. James, when you hear this, you've abandoned yourself and the team. And you've quit. And I hope when you're sitting there thinking about what you've done, you cry and you feel really, really bad about yourself. Because here I am with the science machine, which is clearly a two-man machine, and you're sitting out there in Physics Square, enjoying yourself, having a lovely time, having a bit of a drink. You're the worst kind of human.
Your supply.
That's all for this week's less than or equal to 1 hour long special. See you next week. Leave.
Late in the evening, watching what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Do 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 do. The party wants to see a beautiful lady running around with me. Then he asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Feel wonderful as a squeeze of light in your eyes. Wonder of it all. If you dance with me tonight, want to love. Down, 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 down. down, down. Down, 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 down. Oh, now give her a weekend head. I give her the car keys, and she lays me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn off the lights, hey darling, you were wonderful tonight. Do, 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 my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Do, 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 do. Do 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 do.